In this lecture, we are going to work on this country, state and city package. If I click on country, I will be having all the countries. Whichever country I click, based on that, I will be having all the state, and based on this state, I will be having this city. So for this, we are just going to install one package. So just type country, state, city library and click on this npm package. And to install this, we have to run this command. I will copy, come to project, open terminal, fresh terminal. I will come inside this front end folder and here paste that command npm I country state city. Hit enter. Okay, package will be installed. Come here, scroll down, and here we will have complete usage. So to use country, state and city, first we have to import all this data from this package. So I will copy this import. Come here, package is installed successfully. Open package.json and inside this you can see I will be having this package. Now come to shipping.jsx. Below this, I'm just going to import country, state, city from country, state, city package. Now come here. To access all the countries, we have to use country.getAllCountries. And using this, what we will get? We will get array of all the countries. And for states, you can see we are having get all states. So one by one, we are going to work on this complete functionality. And in result, we are having this ISO code, and inside this name we will have country name. So we will access this ISO code and also we are going to access this country name. Now let me come to project. Scroll down. This is our first select field, and what I will do, this is our first option for selecting country. Remove this second option. Now first let me just come here. Below this, I will be writing log. I will access this country. From there, I'm just going to access this get all countries. Save. Come to project. Inspect this. Now you can see array of 250 data. And inside that, I'm having for each and every country, I'm having name and also I'm having this ISO code. So using this, I'm having array. So exact same thing I will copy, remove this, come here. This is our first select input field for countries. And from here, I was having option for India. I have removed that. Now this entire option, we have to wrap inside JavaScript mode. Now I will be passing country.getAllCountries. And for this array, I will apply map method. Inside this, I will be passing this callback function where I will be passing item. And then open this callback function. Inside this, I will pass this complete option. Copy and paste. Now here, inside this value, I'm just going to access item.iso code. So here you can see, first time item will be this complete object and I'm just going to access this ISO code. And inside that option, I'm just going to display this country. And for this, we are having property name. So remove this. Here, I will write item.name. And here we are using map method. So exact same thing I will copy. Inside this, I will be pasting. I will give key. Come to my project. Okay, this is our project. Now if I click on this, you can see successfully I am able to render all these 250 countries. Okay, close this. Now we will be working on this state. Now exact same thing I will copy and below this I'm just going to paste. Now for accessing the state, we will be writing this state which we have imported. And for states, we are just going to access. You can see we are having all this option, but based on country, we have to access the state. So we will be using this get states of country. And inside this, we will be passing one argument country. So whatever country we select, that country we will be passing as the argument. And this is nothing but a state which we have passed inside the value. You can see which we have passed inside the value. So that country we will be passing as the argument inside this method. Then map method, exact same thing, ISO code, and then we are just going to render this state. Now save this, come to project. I will select the country India. Now you can see based on India, I will be having all the states. So that is the reason we have to pass the country only based on this country. Whichever country you select, based on that country, you will be having the states. Then next, let me just copy this entire thing, and below this I will be pasting. Next we are having cities, and for city we have imported city, and here now we have to use get cities of state. So whatever state we have given, based on that state we have to access the cities. So here we will be passing get cities of state, but inside this we have to pass country as well as we have to pass state. So here first argument I will be passing country, and second I will be passing state. Then map method, inside this I will be passing the name because here we will not have ISO code. Key, I will be passing name, and finally inside this I will be passing name. But maybe sometimes due to some network issue or something, we will not be able to access countries, states, and for some states we will not have any cities. So what we will do here, we are just going to check for the condition. If we are having country, only then perform this entire operation. Same way, if we are having state, only then perform this entire operation, and if we are having city, only then perform this entire operation. So in this way, we are just going to check for the condition. Now, let me come to project. I will be selecting South Korea state. Based on that, I will be having state, and based on that you can see I am having 4 cities. So accordingly I can select the options. Now successfully we are able to access these values. But now let me come to shipping info. Here only if I select the country my state should be opened. Only if I select the state my city field has to be open. If I select country, state will be open. If I select state, based on that state, I will have all the cities. But here in my project, you can see all these fields are displayed. So what we will do, come here. For country, we are not going to do anything, but this is a state, and this entire shipping info, I'm just going to wrap inside parenthesis. Here, I will be passing country, and this is nothing but my state variable. If I am having any value for the country, only then render this entire diff container. Now exact same thing I will be doing for city. I will select this entire diff. Inside this, I will be passing this state. And this is nothing but the states which we have created for state. If we are having any country, only then show the state. And if you are having any state, only then show the city. Now save, come to project, you can see now I am not having any country. So that is the reason state is not displayed, because we are not having state. So city will not be displayed. Now I will be selecting the country, state will be displayed. And now you can see in this case, we are not having any state for this country. So that is the reason we have passed this condition. If we are having state, only then render this entire operation. So in this case, we are not having, so that is the reason only this option is displayed. Now let me select another country, state. You can see as soon as I select state, only then I will be having the cities. Here, let me just change another country. I will change this country. After changing the country, you can see I am having both the fields. But let me come to this project. I will be selecting this country. I will select state. only then I will be having city. But now I will be changing the country. As soon as I change the country, you can see city is gone because I have not selected the state and state is set to empty string. So here let me just scroll up. This is our country select field and here we are having this on change event handler. Bring this down and this entire thing I will be wrapping inside this curly braces. Now below this, I'm just going to access this set state and for this I will assign empty string. Then I will access set city and for this also I will assign empty string. So whatever values I am having, I'm just going to clear the values as soon as my country changes. Here I am having state. I will open this curly braces and below this I'm just going to close and inside this state what I have to reset, I only have to reset this city and while changing the city I do not have to reset anything, only for country and for state we are just resetting the values. Now I will come to my project. I will select the country. You can see as soon as my country changes, accordingly my input fields will be adjusted and I will be having the result.